Cantonese style steamed fish, one of our favorites at home. Turn on your steamer and keep it boiling with water. Here, we will show you how to butterfly the fish. This is important and a way of filleting the fish, and butterflying will allow the steam to distribute more evenly. Prepare your garnish by thinly slicing your spring onion, ginger, and coriander, and soak in cold water. This will be the steamed fish sauce: light sauce, dark sauce, Maggi seasoning, some Chinese cooking wine, sesame oil, hot water, and sugar. Feel free to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Slice some ginger and place under the fish. Make it stand up on a plate that is big enough to go into the steamer. We added some flavors pork lard, and this will give additional taste as well as depth of flavor. Depending on the size of your fish, steam for 8 to 10 minutes until it is cooked. You can choose to discard the liquid, or for a more home-style taste, just leave the liquid in the plate. For the sauce, you can stir it in and pour it on top of the fish. We do not need to boil the sauce as it will develop an aftertaste. Heat up a quarter cup of cooking oil until it is smoking. Be careful when you are heating up. The garnish that we had julienned and thinly sliced earlier, place over the fish: spring onion, coriander, and ginger. And this will release the aromats from the garnish. When we pour hot oil over it, be careful in this process. Finish as an option with garlic and onion oil from Flavors Finishing Oil. And you are ready to serve. Remember to eat it hot.